Hello everyone, welcome to another video on that clock guy 432. Today I want to show y'all something really cool, and it involves a keyboard, a synthesizer phone software, and a MIDI cable. And I actually made this sound, and it's pretty cool. You can actually play it on pretty much all across the keyboard. Now I'm going to play it for you, and I'll tell you what it is after I finish playing it. You didn't think I would fool you, didn't I? That's a grandfather clock, and that is the Westminster chime. I used a synthesizer. I'm actually running Elastic OSC, or also known as Elastic OSC. And there's a bell modeling system, but it can also model the string sounds, do different string modeling. I have it set to model chime rods, and that's where we have a grandfather clock, and it actually sounds so realistic it almost does not even sound synthesized. It sounds too real. All I need to do now is put a tick-tock sound behind it, and then we have a full grandfather clock. Alright, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel for more clock-style videos, something like that. I'm going to try to get back to doing this again. We could also do mantle clocks, which sounds pretty cool. That's a bracket clock. Here's a tambour clock. This one's more like, I would say some bracket clocks can do that too, but that's more like some of those modern Howard Miller clocks. Then we have the wall clocks, which sound like this. This is one of those Howard Miller ones from the 90s. I'm doing the quarter-hour chime, not the full chime now. And we have the grandmother clock. I'll play the full hour chime on that one. And that's the 3 o'clock. It's not actually 3 o'clock right now, but I'm just doing that for a demo. Anyways, there we go.